Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial, and today we're going to be taking a look at the new group and ungroup feature inside of Canva. So here on the canvas I have my name, and I have just used some bubble letters that are within the Canva library to create my name. If we select on the letters, we can see that they are all individual, and that's how I've created my name. In order to group the letters together, we need to select a letter, hold down the shift key, and then we can select the next letter and the next one and the next one, and up here we can now see we have an option for group. So if we select group, we can see now that they're just going to move around as one whole element. If I decide that, oh actually I don't want the letter A to be blue, then I can select the letter A, and we can see now that a border has been put around it, and we have an ungroup option. If we select ungroup, we can now move that letter around, and the other three letters are still grouped together. So now I am able to go up to the colours, and I can change that one to be yellow. Then to regroup it, I can select the letter, hold down the shift key, select the other three letters and select group, and now they are all attached back together. The group and ungroup also works with different elements as well. So here I've just selected some kawaii animals and just placed them all on the screen for the purpose of showing you. So I've attached them all together, so I've selected each individual animal and the text, and then I have selected group. If for example I wanted to move the duck, I can select on the little duck, and now we can see we can ungroup him, and if we select ungroup, then we can make this little duck move around, and we can also make it larger. We could reposition it totally if we wanted to, but all the rest of the elements are still grouped together. Then if we're happy, we can keep the little duck selected, we can hold down the shift key, select the rest of the design, and we can then select group, and then now the little duck is regrouped again. This is a great new feature within Canva, especially if you're designing things like invitations that have lots of different elements that you may wish to just keep moving around. It will allow you to group and ungroup them individually to make your designing easier. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.